So let's take this cubic equation 18x cubed plus 40x squared plus 22x is equal to 0 and try to solve it in an entirely different way. Now, we can clearly see that when x is equal to 0, uh, the equation holds true. LHS is equal to RSS because all the terms will disappear. Now, when x is equal to 1, this is not so. Okay, it's going to be 18 plus 40 plus 22 is equal to 0. No, that's wrong. So x is not equal to 1. X is equal to 0. So this is one of the roots of the equation. Let's just try x is equal to minus 1 and see what happens. You will have minus 18 plus 40 minus 22 is equal to 0. This would be minus 40 plus 40. It's equal to 0. So LHS is again equal to RHS. Okay, so this means that one of the solutions is x is equal to minus 1. If x is equal to minus 1 is one of the solutions, then it goes without saying that x plus 1 is a factor. X plus 1 is a factor of the equation 18x cubed plus 40x squared plus 22x is equal to 0. So if x plus 1 is a factor, then we can divide 18x cubed plus 40x squared plus 22x by x plus 1. Okay, so let's do it. We usually don't put the brackets around the divisor, so let's get rid of it. I'll write it much closer to this division sign. So let's divide it. So I'll put x square. I actually put 18x square. Okay. I will divide by x plus 1 and let the quotient be 18x squared, then I'll get 18x cubed plus 18x squared. Now when I subtract this from what's above, I get a 0 here. And 40 minus 18 is 22. Plus 22x squared. So I'll now get this down. Plus 22x. Now it goes without saying that I just have to put 22x here. Plus 22x will give me plus 22x square and plus 22x. I subtract, I get 0 here. Therefore, 18x square plus 22x is the other factor. One factor is x plus 1. The other factor is 18x square plus 22x. Okay, so now 18x square plus 22x is one of the factors. So basically, we can rewrite this equation like this. And we already solved this part. So x is equal to minus. So now we have to solve this part. So what do we do? Equate this to 0. Now I can remove 2x out. I can factorize 2x out. 9x plus 11. 9x square plus 11. 9x plus 11 is equal to 0. This means 2x is equal to 0, and we already know that x is equal to 0 by simply substituting. We figured that out. We figured that out early on. We figured that out right in the beginning. So let's ignore it. So now let's take this one. 9x plus 11 is equal to 0. This means 9x is equal to minus 11. Hold on a second. 9x is equal to minus 11. X is equal to minus 11 by 9. So this is the third factor. So x is equal to 0 is 1. X is equal to minus 1 is another solution for this equation is, or we can say it is one of the roots of the equation. And the third solution is x is equal to minus 11 by 9. So x is equal to minus 11 by 9 is also a root of the equation. So since it's a cubic equation, we have three solutions. And this is cool, and we see how this method differs from the previous method that we used to solve. You can take a look at these ones by pausing the video. You'll see that we used an entirely different method in a different video. So, yeah, I hope this method is clear to you now. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts or questions, please put it in the comment section. See you in at another video. Bye for now.